Welcome to English Boosters channel.
Connecting ideas about family and using connectors for daily choices.
John, do you live with your parents or alone?
I live with my parents and my younger brother.
Is your house big or small?
It is small, but it is very comfortable.
Why do you like living there?
Because it is near my office and the park.
Does your brother work or study?
He studies history because he wants to be a teacher.
Is he hardworking or lazy?
He is very smart, but he can be a bit lazy on weekends.
Do you have a dog or a cat?
We have a dog, but we want a cat too.
Why can't you get a cat now?
Because our dog does not like cats.
That is a problem. Does your mother cook or does your father?
My mother cooks on weekdays, but my father cooks on Sundays.
Why does he only cook on Sundays?
Because he is very busy at work during the week.
Is his food good or bad?
It is usually good, but sometimes it is too spicy. Sarah, do you prefer tea or coffee in the morning?
I drink coffee because I need the energy.
Do you put sugar and milk in it?
I put milk in it, but I never use sugar.
Why don't you like sugar?
Because I want to stay healthy and fit.
Do you walk to work or take the bus?
I usually walk, but I take the bus when it rains.
Is the bus fast or slow?
It is fast, but it is always very crowded.
Do you eat lunch at your desk or in the cafeteria?
I eat in the cafeteria because I like to talk to my friends.
Do you buy lunch or bring it from home?
I bring it from home because it is cheaper and tastier.
Do you relax in the evening or do you keep working?
I try to relax, but sometimes I have chores to do.
Why don't you do them on Saturday?
Because Saturday is my day for shopping and fun.
That makes sense. Is Saturday your favorite day or is Sunday?
Saturday is the best because I can stay up late.
Talking about abilities and invitations and plans.
John, can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar a little bit.
That is cool. Can you sing while you play?
No, I can't sing at all. My voice is terrible.
Can your sons play music too?
My oldest son can play the piano. He practices every day.
Can he play difficult songs?
Not yet, but he can read music very well.
What about sports? Can you swim?
I can swim, but I am very slow. Can you?
Yes, I can swim very fast. I was on a team.
Can you dive into the deep water?
No, I can't do that. I am afraid of heights.
Can you speak any other languages, Sarah?
I can speak a little bit of French and Spanish.
Can you cook French food?
No, I can't cook well. I always burn the toast.
I can help you. I can cook very well. Sarah, are you free this Saturday afternoon?
Yes, I am. Why do you ask?
I want to invite you to my son's piano recital.
Oh, what time does it start?
It starts at 3 p.m. at the school hall.
Can I bring a friend with me?
Of course, the more, the merrier.
Where is the school hall exactly?
It is on Maple Street, next to the library.
Can we go for coffee after it finishes?
That's a great idea. There is a cafe nearby.
Does the cafe have good cake?
Yes, they make the best lemon cake in town.
Should I wear a formal dress?
No, you can wear casual clothes. It's not fancy.
Great. Can I help you with anything for the party?
Can you bring some extra paper plates?
Yes, I can do that. Anything else?
No, that is all, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you on Saturday at 3 o'clock.
Perfect. Don't be late.
I won't. I'll leave my house early.
Describing John's family and Sarah's family.
John, I want to know more about your family.
Sure, who do you want to know about first?
Let's start with your wife. What does she look like?
She is quite tall and has long, curly hair.
What color is her hair exactly?
It is dark brown, and she has bright green eyes.
Does she wear glasses?
Only when she reads or watches a movie.
Is she a serious person?
No, she is very kind and always smiles.
What about her personality? Is she patient?
Very patient. She is a great listener.
What about your oldest son, Leo?
He is short for his age, but he is very fast.
Does he look more like you or his mother?
No, he has my straight hair and my blue eyes.
Is he a shy boy or is he outgoing?
He is very outgoing. He talks to everyone at the park.
Does he like sports?
Yes, he loves football. He is very energetic.
And your younger son, Sam, how is he?
He is small and has very light blonde hair.
Does he have blue eyes too?
No, he has brown eyes, just like his grandfather.
Is he quiet like his brother?
No, he is very quiet and loves to read books.
What about your sister, the nurse?
She is very thin and has short, black hair.
Is she tall like your wife?
No, she is medium height. She is very fit.
Is she a funny person?
She is the funniest person in our family.
Does she tell jokes?
Yes, she always makes us laugh at dinner.
That sounds like a wonderful family, John.
Now it's your turn. Tell me about your big family, Sarah.
Okay, where should I begin?
Your father, he is a very big man, right?
Yes, he is very tall and has a thick gray beard.
Does he have a lot of hair?
No, he is actually a little bit bald on top.
Does he look scary because he is so big?
No, not at all. He has a very warm and friendly face.
What about your mother? Is she tall too?
No, she is quite short and has beautiful silver hair.
Does she have long hair?
She keeps it in a bun. She has soft brown eyes.
Is she a hard-working woman?
Yes, she is never tired. She is very active in the garden.
You mentioned 3 brothers. Are they twins?
No, but 2 of them look exactly the same.
Are they tall like your father?
Yes, they are both tall, very strong, and have broad shoulders.
Are they very sporty?
Very sporty, they play basketball almost every day.
What about your sisters? What do they look like?
One has long blonde hair, and the other has bright red hair.
Red hair. That is very unique.
Yes, she is very creative and loves to paint colorful pictures.
Is she younger or older than you?
No, she is my older sister. She is very smart and wears glasses.
And your youngest brother, is he still a child?
He is a teenager now. He is tall, very thin, and also wears glasses.
Does he look like your father?
A little bit, but he has a very shy smile.
Is he a good student at school?
Yes, he is very clever and loves anything about computers.
Do you have any aunts or uncles who live nearby?
I have one aunt. She is very fashionable and always wears jewelry.
Is she your mother's sister?
No, she is my father's sister. She is very elegant.
You have a very interesting family, Sarah.
Thanks for watching.